In this lecture, we will be learning about definition of lipids, classification of lipids, importance of lipids, properties of lipids, definition of alcohol, fatty acid, and ester. Lipids are a diverse group of substances that have some common properties. These are solubility in organic solvents, but insoluble in water, sourced from animals or plants. Lipids that are solid at room temperature are known as fats, while others are oils. Classification of lipids 1. Simple lipid. Simple lipids refer to esters of fatty acids with different alcohols, such as acylglycerols. Acylglycerols are considered simple lipids, where the alcohol present is glycerol. 2. Compound lipids. Compound lipids are formed when some additional group is added to the simple lipids. Examples of compound lipids include phospholipids and lipoproteins. Phospholipids belong to the compound lipids. They form the lipid bilayer of the cell membrane. The outer side of phospholipids is polar, while the other side is nonpolar. They also contain nitrogenous bases such as choline 3, precursor or derived lipids. These are formed on hydrolysis of simple or compound lipids, e.g. steroids, vitamin D, fatty acids, alcohols, and isoprenoids. Cholesterol is a 17-carbon containing steroid compound formed by condensation of the isoprenoid subunit. There are 4 rings of carbon atoms in cholesterol, 3 containing 6 carbon atoms, while 1 ring has 5 carbon atoms. 4. Miscellaneous lipid. This group of lipids contains carotenoid, hydrocarbon, squalene, terpene, vitamin K and E, and wax. Terpenes are derivatives of isoprenoids. Waxes. Waxes may belong to mixtures of simple lipids, hydrocarbons, alcohols, and ketones. They form protective coatings on fruits and leaves. Lipids are essential biological molecules. They serve the roles of structure, storage, and function in living cells. Structural role. As a structure, phospholipids form the lipid bilayer of the cell membrane. They are also present as insulating material around nerve cells to provide electrical insulation in nervous tissue. As waxes, they are found in the exoskeleton of insects. Cutin is also a lipid in the cuticle layer of leaves and fruits. Storage role. Lipids are found in adipose tissue as triglycerides for energy storage and thermal insulation. Functional role. Lipids are important dietary constituents as they provide more than double the energy compared to carbohydrates. As fat-soluble vitamins and steroid hormones, they take part in metabolism. Properties of lipid. Lipids in the presence of reagents react chemically. Triglycerides are hydrolyzed to fatty acid and glycerol by lipase enzyme. On reacting with alkalis, they are transformed into soaps. Hydrogen is added to them in the presence of a metal catalyst. This process is used to make vegetable ghee or margarine. When fats or oils are exposed to air, light, moisture, or bacteria, they undergo chemical reactions and give unpleasant odors, flavors, and colors. This process is called the rancidity of lipids. It is of 2 types, oxidative and hydrolytic. The acid number of a lipid tells the number of free fatty acids present in it. Definition. Alcohols are those hydrocarbons, which have 1 or more hydroxyl groups attached to the carbon atom of the hydrocarbon. Fatty acids are carboxylic acids, which have long chains of hydrocarbon attached to them. Ester is formed when the hydrogen of a hydroxyl group of a hydrocarbon is replaced by an alkyl group.